I am Sushil Dubey from Bethel Mission School, Godda. Today I am going to teach you washing soda, salt washing soda. First we should know how washing soda is formed. Washing soda is formed when salt, NaCl salt react with the ammonia, water and carbon dioxide together. Then NaSCO3 and ammonium chloride is formed. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is the baking soda, and NH4Cl form. But NaS baking soda is insoluble in water, mild soluble in the water. Due to this, what happens? We will filter it easily. We will filter it. After that, we remove it and this baking soda, and this baking soda we heat. Then Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, and water is formed. After that, this sodium carbonate mix 10H2O, then Na2CO3 10H2O. This is the mixed sodium carbonate decahydrate is formed. That is the washing soda. So we are washing soda with preparation of the washing soda. Preparation of washing soda by the salt, ammonia, water and carbon dioxide heat together, then form NH4CO3 baking soda. This is not soluble in the water, that's why it will be easily removed from the water. And this baking soda heat, then sodium carbonate and water is formed. This sodium carbonate means that there is no water and hydrous sodium carbonate is formed. That's why it mixed with the water, then sodium carbonate and 10H2O decahydrate. This is the washing soda. Washing soda is formed. This is the process of making of the washing soda. But now we know property of washing soda. Property of washing soda. First, it is soluble in water, transparent. It is a transparent crystallization solid. Transparent crystallization in solid. Soluble in water. It is soluble in water, alkaline in nature, and this sodium washing soda is alkaline in nature. Due to this, what happens? It turns red litmus. How we know this is alkaline in nature? It turns red litmus paper blue. Its meaning is that it is alkaline in nature. It is a base and it is soluble in water. That's why it is alkaline in nature. After that, detergent. Second thing, it is a detergent property. Detergent property means it used for the washing cloth is there. When you will use this detergent, washing soda is there, they will clean your cloth. That's why it keeps the property of the detergent property. After that comes usage. What is the usage of this? Usage of washing soda. First we should know usage. One thing always remember is there. 2 or 3 uses must become. How you will prepare it there, and what is the usage of this. That's why usage is the main important there. Usage for it is a cleaning agent. First I discussed, this is the cleaning agent. They will use to wash the cloth and remove permanent hardness of water, and remove permanent hardness of the water. I mean to say, if there is the hard water, you know why? Because hardness water means if there is a calcium or magnesium in the water, then it becomes the hardness of the water. If you want to remove the permanent heat, then you mix some of the washing soda, then permanent hardness of the water has gone. So use of making. And third use is there. Third use makes the borax. You know how borax is formed? Borax is formed by the usage of the, it will be used to the washing soda, then borax is formed. This is the usage. Now baking soda. How we make the baking soda? You just see there how we make the washing soda. Now you know how we are making the baking soda. Same as the process, we take the salt, ammonia, water and carbon. Same process then. First product baking soda is formed, NaSCO3. This is the sodium hydrogen carbonate is known as the baking soda, and NH4 soda. This is the baking soda. Means we see there how we make the washing soda. We take the NH4 and filter it there when heat is there. But what happens? We will filter it, and after that dry it there. Then baking soda is formed. Now, property of the baking soda. What is the property of the baking soda? Property of baking soda. Remember is there, when this baking soda will be heat is there, then washing soda is formed. But same process is there. Sodium chloride, ammonia, water and carbon dioxide taken together and make the baking soda. Now, what is the property of the baking soda? Action of heat. Action of heat, we know what happens. Action of heat, we discuss it there. When we heat there, then what happens is changing the anhydrous washing soda. When we heat it there, then NaCO3 heat, then sodium carbonate plus water is formed there. So first is the heating, baking soda heat is there, they make the washing soda. Now, mild of what happens is there, it is mild insoluble and non-corrosive in nature. This is the non-corrosive washing soda is the baking soda is the non-corrosive in the nature. Baking soda used for making baking soda used to make the soda powder. But now you see same thing is there. Now this will be used to making the baking soda baking powder. Now you will see what is the baking powder and what is the baking soda. Both are the not is the same, because baking soda and baking soda is a single compound. Now uses, what is the use of the baking soda? First use is there, it is the antacid. Antacid means, suppose that when sometime becomes the more acid produced in the stomach, then what happens, we are getting the pain. So you take some of the baking soda is there, then what happens, acid, and this is the basic in nature, alkaline in nature. First I discuss base is neutralized there. So first use is there, we take as an antacid, use as an antacid. And second, fire extinguisher. Baking soda will use as a fire extinguisher also. Now, first I say there, when discuss it there, soda, first baking soda, what is the difference between baking soda and baking powder? Baking soda is the NaCO3, it is a single compound and bitter in taste. It is bitter in taste. That's why we know it there, when we are making the bread or making of the cake is there, we are given the baking soda is there. But when you are given the baking soda, then what happens? Heating is there, carbon dioxide will become. When we heat is there, then we see there, carbon dioxide gases come. Carbon dioxide will be come is there, Na2CO3 plus carbon dioxide gas will come. This carbon dioxide passes from the cake, make the many of the hole is there. Due to this, what happens, this whole air is filled, it becomes the spongy. But one disadvantage is there, after few time it becomes very hard. We cannot use it there. Second advantage is there, it is a basic in nature, due to the, it taste become the bitter. That's why we will use the baking powder, we will not baking soda. What is the baking powder? Baking soda, baking powder. What is the baking powder? We cannot use the baking soda as a making of the cake or bread, because it taste becomes the bitter. So due to this, what happens is there, and size becomes the smaller. Due to this, we use to the baking powder. Baking powder is the same as a sodium hydrogen carbonate, plus it contains the one of the acid, citric acid or citric acid. It is a eatable acid is there. That's why when we are given the powder is there, then this base and acid react is there and neutralize the reaction. That's why making anything, we are given the powder, not given the soda. Not given by the, generally men say soda and powder is the same. No. Soda is a single compound, only sodium hydrogen carbonate, but powder is the sodium hydrogen carbonate contain the some of the eatable acid, lactic acid or citric acid. You know lactic acid found in the tamarind. So eatable acid there and citric acid found in the lemon. So it is the two things. That's why what happens when we are mixing the baking powder to making of the cake, then it neutralizes the reaction. So no bitter taste will come. That's why we are using the baking powder, not using this one. And it will be main used to extinguishing the fire. How? Suppose that when we are taken the NaS sodium hydrogen carbonate and what we take one bottle we are taken it there and one glass tube we are taken it there. After that what happens? We take one test tube and put some dilute acid in there. And here we are taken the baking, here we taken the NaS sodium hydrogen carbonate is there. After that what happens? When this will be put it there, this acid is formed there. Fall is there. When it fall is there, then a lot of carbon dioxide will be formed. This carbon dioxide help to burning of the, help to put out the fire. How? Extinguishing the fire. How? Carbon dioxide first is there, they lower the ignition temperature of the, lower the ignition temperature of the substance. And second main is there, carbon dioxide is the heavier gas. Due to this what happens? Cut the supply of the oxygen. So we know the burning of a substance, anything when burn it there, two things are required. First required is there, what was the thing required? Oxygen gas must be required there. Second thing, ignition. But now what is the ignition temperature? Have you studied in the class 8? What is the ignition temperature? A lowest temperature in which a substance start to burn. When you are burning any of the substance, when it get the ignition temperature, they will start to burn it there. So it work is there, ignition lower the ignition temperature. That's why it will sink the fire. So then what happens is that when we put the carbon dioxide is there, first do there, carbon dioxide work is there, they lower the ignition temperature of the substance. That's why substance will be not burn it there. And second is there, they carbon dioxide the heavier gas, so it make a blanket toward the fire. So oxygen gas cannot enter there, they cut the supply of the oxygen. So it will reaching the fire is there. You know is that this article you can make in the house also. You take one bottle, put some of the NH and sodium hydrogen carbonate and some of the acid you put it there and carbon dioxide gas will come from the bottle. This carbon dioxide you can use to the extinguishing the fire, is a small fire in your house also.
Ready.
Now you follow the lockdown, so coronavirus, that's why you study in the house. Already I discussed it there. You will get everything from the book. If any doubt, I given my phone number is there, you consult with me. Otherwise when school will be open, again I shall come and again I discuss it there. But never come outside of the house, because now this disease spread out all the places. Daily news you have seen it there. That's why first work is there, save yourself to lock down from the house. Thank you.